Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing amazing. My name is Urvashi and thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to my channel, then make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so that you never miss any updates whenever I post any video. Now in today's video I'm going to take up the challenge called this or that. So I have googled few very important and top questions of this challenge, this or that, where I'll be answering any one of the two given choices. So without any delay, let's get into the video. Now I thought of taking up this challenge because this challenge is really like very famous one. So, and this is fun, so I thought let's do this also. And I really love making the fun challenges videos. So yeah, let's get started. So the first choice is beach or mountains. Now I really love both. Okay, I really love beach and I really love mountain, but more if you ask me, then I'm a beach person, so I like beaches more. Okay, next, cake or cookies. Okay, again I like both, but more if you ask, then yes, I like cake. Obviously they're so yum. And yeah, black or white, forever a black person, forever. TV series or web series? Ooh, now that's a tough one. I really love both. I just don't like, I love both. TV series or web series? I'll go with web series. Okay, next, online or offline shopping. Now again, I like doing both, but it completely depends on my mood. Now if you're talking about this lockdown, then obviously I prefer the online shopping, and you know, most of the times when I'm feeling lazy, so I go for online shopping. But again, there are few advantages of offline shopping also, but still I'll go with online shopping. Next, text or calls. It depends on who the person is, but in 99.9999% cases I really like texts. Please don't call me unless and until it's too much necessary. I don't like taking up calls that much. Okay, next question, pizza or pasta. Now forever a pizza person. Now till now, as I was saying, that it's very hard to choose because I like both and all. Just a reminder, that is, I'm not a pasta person. I do not like pasta at all. I know it sounds very like funny and stupid, but I'm sorry, I really don't like pasta. I don't know why, but I really don't like that. Winter or summer? I'm a winter baby, and yeah, I like winter more than summer. Tom and Jerry or Shin-chan? I like both, but I'll go with Shin-chan. Friends or How I Met Your Mother? Okay, Friends. Both are amazing, but Friends over anything, any day. Not even a single doubt. Long hair or short hair? Now as you can see that I've cut my hair, but I really prefer long hair. I really like that. 5-star or Dairy Milk? Dairy Milk. I'm not a 5-star fan in that way. I eat that, but not a fan of it. So yeah, Dairy Milk. Next, platinum or gold? Platinum. I'm not a jewelry person, to be very honest. If you give me so many options of jewelry also, I won't be able to choose any because I'm really not a jewelry person. But between platinum or gold, I'll go with platinum. Backpack or handbag? Now I'm again not a fan of carrying handbags on all. I'm not that kind of a person. I'm really comfortable if I carry backpack everywhere. I know that it does not go with all the dresses like ethnic, but again, I don't wear much ethnic dresses. So backpack, yeah. Singing or dancing? Okay, I'm not good at any of this, just saying. But again, and I do like to try both of these, but not a professional at any of this too. But I'll go with singing because I do that more than dancing. Morning or night? I'm a night owl. People who know me know this, that I am a night owl. Domino's or Pizza Hut? Domino's, any day. Waffles or pancakes? Ooh, that's tough, but I'll go with waffles. Board games or card games? Damn. I like both. This is so hard to choose. I wish I could pass this, but these are, you know, like the top 20, 31. So I have to answer this. Board games or card games? Uh, uh, I really like Uno, but yeah, I like board games more because there are so many board games, you know, like Monopoly and chess. I love that. Ludo, I love that too. So yeah, I'll go with board games, but I like card games also. Any game you wanna play, I'm up for it. I'm a very, you know, sporty person. Chocolate or vanilla? Chocolate any day. Chocolate over anything any day. Rain or snow? I am really not a big fan of rain. Okay, this also might sound weird because a lot of people like rain and all, but I really don't like rain because you know, rain के बाद रास्ता जो चिक चिक हो जाता है, I don't like that. So I'll go with snow. Next, Batman or Superman? Batman. Batman is my favorite character from Justice League. Batman over any character any day, like any character from DC universe, I'm saying, not Marvel. Okay, they call it DC universe, I'm not sure, but they call it Marvel universe. Yeah, whatever, from the DC part, Batman over anyone. Okay, next is ice cream or cold drinks. Ooh, I love both, but ice cream. I'm a big fan of ice cream. Fire or ice? Ooh, ice, because I'm a winter person, so I like cold things more than, you know, hot things. Straight or curly hair? Straight hair. I am the person who has straight hair, and I like straight hair. Yeah. Money or fame? Money. Any day. Okay, and the last question for today, that is animal or people? Okay. Now, I thought of not answering this, but these are the, you know, like top questions. So this was the last question. Now this is I don't know what should I answer to this, because I know that animals are better than people, but I am basically kind of, I have a phobia to all kind of animals. Like I really love dogs, you know, dogs are so cute, faithful, I know all that stuffs, but I have phobia for them. I don't know, like I like all the animals, but I have phobia for all of them. If some animal comes near to me, I get a panic attack. Even if it's a dog, even if it's a cat or anything, if something is coming towards me, any animal, then I get a panic attack. I don't know why, but if I'm seeing any animal, you know, dur se, then I am like very good. Yeah, so cute, so sweet. But if I have to hold it, or if it is running towards me, I'll get a panic attack. I'll faint then and there. So, but I don't have any problem with animals, but I just can't take that side. That's it.
One eternity later.
As I have phobia towards animals, and I don't have any phobia towards people, so I'll go with people in this case. But if I any day can if this is possible that this phobia goes away, then I'll choose my answer as animals. I'll switch the answer. So let's see when that day comes. So yeah, this was it for today. These were the top questions that I answered, and I've seen that people answer these questions only. These are in the Google. So it was really fun. I don't know why I like making this challenges videos. So do let me know if you like this challenge videos. Comment down your thoughts, and if you like this video, then give a big thumbs up, and make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. And if you want, then you can share this video with others. So I'll be seeing you guys very soon in my next video. Till then, stay safe, stay happy, and bye bye.